the headline makers in the financial industry throughout the year as two of the most promising
Let's all stand up and let's all do the wash.
One team, one dream, one system, one mission, one heart.
Good evening, ING. Welcome to the Convention of Champions 2024. Our theme for tonight is winning together, and of course we're winning together. And
momentarily. We have 8 rows facing the stage. Those who are seated from the first and second row, please exit on F4. Your buffet table is upon your exit on your left and right. Those who are seated in third, fourth...
Makita natin sila once again. Tawagin natin sila.
We would like to call all the contestants to please come on stage. And of course, we're inviting our judges to join us here to award the winners. Mr. Gerard, to the General.
General Benito, siyempre si Atty. Meru. Pero bago yan, tawagin muna natin ang ating mga contestants, di ba? Kasi talagang nahihirapan sila mag-compute ng ating result for tonight, partner.
Ang hirap din naman kasi yun. Kailangan, lahat magaganda kasi yung comments ng judges natin. Pero, in-incorporate yung message ng IMG. Meron namang power better sa biritan. Meron din naman talagang nag-dance strong. Haluan.
So, alam mo, partner? Diba, yun yung mga hidden talents. Pero ang talagang magaling sila talaga sa financial privilege.
Ayun.
Diba, dahil sila lang umuna ipag-ibigay ng mga financial privilege.